How to fix echo sound in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix the echo sound issues in Messenger calls. So if your call audio is echoing or repeating your own voice, you may follow up these steps in order to fix it. So what you can do is you can lower your speaker volume slightly so that the microphone does not pick up your own voice. Look out for your volume button on your device, press on it, and you can just go and lower it like this so that you won't be having echo within your own device. The next method you can do is make sure your microphone is not too close to your speakers. So if you're using an external mic, place it farther from your laptop speakers, and that should also help you. Apart from that, what you can do is update your messenger in your device. So you can head over to Play Store and ensure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. Go ahead and open it up and then just head over and go to the search in the bottom right corner, tap on it, and at the top, ready, just go ahead and search for your Messenger. After you search for Messenger, you can just go ahead and tap on it. And if there is any kind of update available, you can tap on update instead of open there, and your application should be updated to the latest version. You can also check for your system updates on your phone or your computer, and that should also help you with the issues. And another thing you can do is go ahead and check your audio settings. Go to your settings, and from there you can just go over, scroll down, look for apps. From apps, just go ahead and select up Messenger. Tap on it. And once you tap on Messenger, go to permissions, tap on it, and make sure the necessary permissions are given, which is microphone and even phone. Just go ahead and select it, and that should help you. Sometimes a simple restart of your own device should also help you fix the minor audio glitches. Long press on your power button, and you should be finding a restart option on your phone screen. So you can find that option and go ahead and tap on it. After you do so, your device should restart and fix that issue. If the echo persists, you can try switching to a different device for your messenger call, and that should also help you. And that's it for today's video. By following up these simple steps, you should be able to fix echo sound issues in Messenger and enjoy clear calls. So if this video helped, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tips.